So in Brisbane, we have flooding. And obviously, we have flooding all around Australia. And I have now got some information for you about the Brisbane City Council, the way that they describe their flooding, types of flooding. Every city council has got different ways of measuring flooding, reporting on flooding, and predicting flooding. This is Brisbane City Council's information that they have. So they're saying that Brisbane experiences four types of flooding. There's creek flooding, river flooding, and then there's overland flow and storm tide. So creek flooding and river flooding. It rains up in the hills, it flows down, the creeks and rivers flood. Yeah. And we all know that the Brisbane River can flood. Then there's overland flow, and overland flow is when it rains so hard that the gutters can't drain the water away quick enough. The land can't absorb the water quick enough, and so it's just flowing over the land, overland flow. And then you've got the storm tide flooding, which will impact you if you live near the coast. The Brisbane City Council uses the term likelihood to describe the annual chance of flooding. There is no information about the depth or the speed of floodwater. So there's a high likelihood, a 5% chance of flooding. This type of flood is considered regular. There is a 1 in 20 chance of this type of flooding happening in any year. So, when you have those flood areas, like it's the sports oval, that's the one that always goes under when the creek comes up, that sort of thing. They're the predicted ones. Then you have the medium likelihood, which is 1%, which means that there's a 1 in 100 chance of that flooding in any given year. Then you have the low likelihood. This type of flood is considered rare, and there is a 1 in 500 chance of it happening in any given year. And then finally, the very low likelihood, which means it's really super rare and it must be some kind of really extreme event. And that would be that there is a 1 in 2,000 chance of that happening in any given year, which is a 0.05%, which is low. But the Brisbane City Council has mappings to show even that. Even if it was only a 1 in 2,000 chance, they've got mapping to show that. That's pretty remarkable. So, a little bit about that for you.